Hello there, I am Makhors and this is a video tutorial about new camera system that was added in Blockbuster 1.2. Let's start off with the key concepts. So there is the two things you need to know about new cameras: camera profile and camera fixture. Camera profile is a list of camera fixtures that can be saved, loaded from the server, or played back on the client. Camera fixture is a construction block for camera profile and defines which way camera moves and at what it looks.
Let's start with basics. So what I've got here? I've got here a little scene. There is Batman, which is tied to this director block. I have playback button, which is also tied to this director block, which is set in camera mode play only. Before we can start the scene, we actually need to add two camera fixtures. I'll add two idle camera fixtures. So here we go, we have two idle fixtures, which are over here and over there, which are run for 4.5 seconds, because I estimated that Batman runs for 9 seconds. So let's start the scene. Okay, that's the basic camera scene. Okay, right now I'm gonna show you some profile management commands. Let's start with the most important ones. The most important ones are saving and loading camera profiles. So to save camera profile, you need to type in camera save and specify to which file you want to save it. So I want to save it to test. So my camera profile was saved to file test. Let's remove fixture to demonstrate how it's going to be loaded. So we can remove the camera fixtures using either command line. It's camera remove 0 and then 0 again, or let's load the test. So we load the test camera profile, or you can remove the camera fixtures by pressing the M key. So as you can see, I removed both of these camera fixtures using the M key. Let's load the profile again. So now I'm gonna show you the other commands that are responsible for starting and playing. So we have camera start command also, which basically plays camera profile, and we have also camera stop, which stops camera from running. There is two other commands. Is camera clear. It basically removes all of the camera fixtures from current camera profile. Let's load again, test. And camera new, it basically creates a new camera profile with specified name. Let's call it map. Well, that's it about the management, like the most important management commands. So now that we are done with profile management commands, we can focus on fixture management command. Total of 7 fixture management commands. Let's start with camera add command. It adds a camera fixture to current camera profile with specified type and duration. So let's add an idle fixture. Then we can also add a path fixture. Okay, the second command which I want to show you is camera duration command. It changes the duration of the camera fixture. Let's change to 4 seconds. Okay, let's say that we don't like the position of this camera fixture. Let's move the camera fixture 0 over here. So to do that, we can use camera edit. So as you can see, it moves over here. That also works with circular, look, follow, and idle fixtures, but not with path. So for path management, we have camera path command. What it does, it actually adds a point in the path. So we got here point, it starts over here and it ends over here. So if we'll add another one, we'll have there's another point. This command also accepts second argument, which is the index to remove. So if we specify the second argument, well, relative to the pad command, we'll remove the index point at index 0. So as you can see, it was the 0 point, it will be 1, and there will be 2. So yeah, we've removed the point over there. Also there is camera remove command, which removes the fixture from camera profile at specified index. Let's add the camera fixture over here. Add circular for 4 seconds. There's also a command move fixture in the camera profile itself. So if you would like to change the order of the camera fixture in the camera profile, you can just simply move, for example, a camera fixture at index 0 to beginning, so to the index 0. You can see it moved this path fixture at the index of 1. And if I'll run it, you'll see that it's changed. So yeah, so there's also a go-to subcommand. What it does is actually teleports you to the location of the camera fixture. You can also specify the progress of the camera fixture. This is mostly useful for circular fixture and path fixture. For example, like in this, if for 1, it would be somewhere in the middle. See, it's basically the middle of the line. And for 0, that'll be the same thing in the middle. I showed you only 3 out of 5 camera fixtures. Let me show you another fixtures. But first let me clear the camera profile. Those camera fixtures that I didn't show you yet are related to entities. So these 2 fixtures are used to observe the entities. So there is a look fixture. So what it does, it actually looks from this point at the entity. There is also a follow camera fixture. So let me just activate the playback button and you'll understand what those fixtures do. You could see it looks at Batman and then it follows the Batman. So yeah, that's pretty much about cameras. I think I showed everything. There's also keys that you could use for camera. So that's pretty much it about the cameras. More detailed review of those commands are in the manual. The link is in the description. The download link for Blockbuster 1.2 is also in the description. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.